Hello, stay safe, learn Excel under 2 minutes. Today we are going to look at the Excel function sum and large, where we combine the two to calculate the sum of the largest value. To do that, we simply introduce the equal sign, introduce the function sum, open our parentheses, introduce the large function, open our parentheses, choose the range, that's the array where we want to choose the large value. So here we are looking at the sales, comma, then we introduce the curly bracket. So here we are interested in the large sales of the top three. So we'll introduce 1, comma, 2, comma, 3. Then we close using the curly brackets. We close our parentheses. We close our parentheses. We press enter. So this gives you the total sum of the first three highest sales values. You can check here. So equal to, so sum, which one are the highest three? I think we have 8955 followed by plus 839 plus I think 5786. These are the first highest or the highest three for the top three. We close it, we sum it. You see that they are the same. Thank you very much and continue to follow us on this channel, Fred Excel. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.